so it's stinging.
Dang. Got my new neighbors that show the customer to help them out on adjusting stuff.
Mm-hmm.
You said June, you booked till June, right?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. I guess it's on drugs, so.
Oh no.
And my son trying to get it out his head because he said, I don't want to think that it's him, but everybody's saying that's what it's looking like. Because like pretty much in my neighborhood, anybody that robbed, I guess, I don't know if they done got beat up, dealt with, told what, something.
Right.
But I've been had a privacy fence, so I'm going to just get it going across the back and coming up the other side because I'm going to start utilizing the back more just to mix it up.
Yep.
But
Caught the right way.
so yeah, because my son said he was just involved in a car accident with somebody that had got killed
Oh
like
no.
a week ago. I mean, Lori, we just lost another 14-year-old, and I just told her so she could relay the message. I said, well, he's really about his business, good at what he do. I said he just has to remember once he get the stuff up, you're gonna have to show the customer to help them out on adjusting stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Because he just did a quick thing for me, but I didn't know nothing about that buzzer noise, and every time it go off, Lori, oh my God. And then it beeps 3 times until whatever's in front of is gone, and then if what's in front of is not going, it keeps beeping.
Yeah, you have to change those settings.
Yeah, so that's what I'm like, what it didn't do, so I gotta work on that. It's just when I get off work, run one errand, get over there to the house, I just want to sit down.
Mm-hmm.
I just don't be wanting to do nothing. But, and plus I haven't been able to have vacation because, and I've been cussing, bitching, I mean everything at work. I said, I got 3 weeks and 4 PA days. We get 4 weeks and 5 PA days a year, and they don't roll over. And I gotta use this up because I had to go to him. Matter of fact, I go to him this Thursday for my 3rd injection. He just told me instead of trying to leave, because I told him I'd be missing out on money, and then I get there late, and then they squeeze me in or try to, it almost be at the end.
Mm-hmm.
And so he told me, he said, you know what, don't worry about it. When you get here, we still gonna see you. And I said, well, thank you so much. Because he was like, you lose it. He said, oh, no, that's not right. I said, I know, but yes. I said, they not considering we was off for the COVID all that time, so nobody needed to really use time like that. Because, go.
Right. But so, you weren't allowed to go.
That's real good. I don't even know what would make it even. I don't know. Except being work shoes all the time. Years ago, I left the work boots alone, and then we just started. How's your boys?
They're doing okay.
That's good. Mines went to school today. Issues or problems or drugs or something.
Mm-hmm.
And they cut through the school parking lot a lot. Because at the school, you have to press a buzzer to get in, and they look at a camera and can see, who you are. Well,
in the parking lot?
Mm-hmm.
In the parking
lot? After you get up close to the door, because the kids usually that's where you drop them off at, unload and everything.
Mm-hmm.
So of my new neighbors. That's the house where the incident happened at. Well, I see he be having family members or friends or whoever comes over, but he got a cousin that stay drunk, always riding a bike over there. And then the guy that do little stuff for me, I know he be on drugs. Yeah, he been doing his little stuff.
Good.
Because I gave him that bottle I had, and then I got one I kept for me. So he be doing that with the file he got from here he gave him. So
good.
I told him you doing better than me. I'm gonna get him there.
I'm gonna be impressed.
Yep. Nope. Yeah, I'm gonna have to call Ring and have them show me or help me on how to make this not so sensitive, because like it picks up at the street when cars go by.
Oh, do you have your app on your phone?
Mm-hmm.
I can show you
Oh, okay.
when we're done.
Cool.
Don't forget to remind me. Just open it up.
Okay. Because I'm like, oh. Oh, and she also, my friend that be selling stuff, she gave me a fanny pack, belt, Louis, for when I go on my truck. She said, girl, this for your birthday, and I'm so sorry what happened to you. Because she was attacked. I guess she was attacked before, but I don't know if she was raped or almost. But I know she told me she fought back. But,
Oh my God.
yeah. Some years, yeah, I guess some years back. And I don't know if hers was a family member or what. But, yeah. Can you get?
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah. I'm here to tell you, it's like the older they get, sometimes the worse they get. You just be like, oh my God, have you not learned?
And I always thought that females had certain characteristics and males did not. But I swear that men gossip worse
Yeah.
than
Yeah.
girls do.
Yep. I have a guy, Lori, just finally retired from my job. Yesterday was his last day. His wife made him a shirt. Dang, look at that shirt. I might have to look on this page, but what number is this? Wait, excuse me. Hello? Oh, robocall. I heard the boop. The beep. Nope, not talking. Well, anyway, this man has 49 years at our plant. You can go with 30 and out. 49.
Wow.
So he finally left. But his problem, his wife had been trying.